Hi all, apologies for the hair and the outfit, but it was tourist day, so my hair's a little messed up from my hat. But I just wanted to take, and the eighth grade teachers just wanted to take a moment to kind of walk you through what the next couple days are going to look like. So we did, in fact, have to go total remote for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of this week. We will be back in person on Tuesday. Reminder, Monday is Martin Luther King Day, so we will not be having school in celebration of that. So I wanted to walk you through everything that's going on, how we're going to be doing remote or a plan for that, and where to find work, specifically in science class, but your other classes as well. So we have decided as the eighth grade teachers that we will be doing remote learning and Zooms. We highly encourage your student to attend these scheduled live classes. I've already passed out paper copies to the students who I caught today and the homeroom teachers caught before they left school today. Some students did get missed because we had a bus leave early though. So here is our schedule, and I will link this as well as the video for you all to look at. It follows the flow that the student would take in the classroom or in the schoolhouse. So what they start their first class, then they'll go to the second class, the third class, and the fourth class, just like they would here at school. One of the modifications though is we took some of the time off, so each class is 40 minutes long. Let's see. During these live classes, you can find your links. Some of us prefer Google Meet, some of us prefer Zoom or other modes. Whatever the link is, it's going to be sent to your school email. So you need to be checking your school email every day. My links have already been sent. They are a Zoom link, and they'll come from a UNCW link because I'm still using that. Very good. We do have some etiquette things to talk about. Just a reminder of what we should look like and how we should act during these Zoom meets. If your teacher asks you to turn your camera on, please do. It's up to the teacher's preference right now, but we do want to know that you are engaged in the learning, in the chat. You're talking about content. Maybe you're answering our questions. That would be very awesome and highly recommended. So we know you haven't just turned on the computer and then walked away. So those are your regular core classes, and you'll notice they end around 11 o'clock. At 11 o'clock, that's when you would normally go to elective time here. For electives like theater, art, and PE, we're hoping that they're going to happen during their regular time. That being said, it is up to the elective teacher what that's going to look like. Not all elective teachers are going to Zoom, and hopefully they're going to email you their plan coming forward pretty soon here. Specifically though for earth and environmental science, because I'm the teacher, I need you to know that because it's a high school class, we are going to be Zooming. I've already sent you out a Zoom link for the students that this applies to. It will start at 1:30, just like our regular scheduled class will. You can find the Zoom link again in your email. And then we have some guidelines for students while you're meeting. We really prefer that you log in, sorry about the words there, into your assigned live session to be counted present. We want to make sure that you're doing the work, that you're still engaged with school, even though we are remote for this time. You must wear school appropriate clothing. You don't have to be in uniform, but please cover your bodies. I don't want to see any of your skin. A t-shirt is fine, and I would prefer you're not in your PJs either. Just throw a t-shirt on and some pants or some sweats. We prefer that you do not lay in bed during the live session. We understand that if you have to sit in bed to do it, that's okay, but do not be lounging. We want you engaged and not asleep. Engage with the teacher via chat or by unmuting themselves. We would prefer that, or by video. And then please make sure that you are using appropriate language just like we would at school, and appropriate behaviors. And take a moment to look around your space where you're presenting at. Make sure there's nothing inappropriate in the background that we might see. Very good. The other thing I wanted to talk about, again, your links are emailed to you. If we send them through Remind, not all the students are going to get them, and it'll just overwhelm you. So they are emailed to you, so you need to be checking your MRO email. The other thing, this is specifically just for science. I want us to go into our science dashboard and just remember how to use this. So here is what our 8th grade science looks like when you click it. You have the student view, so you just see the ones that are in green here, and you can find your assignment based on date. So tomorrow is the 12th. The 12th assignment is right here. We're going to be looking at those together in the Zoom class, and all the information you might need is also here. I am also hoping that you will turn your stuff in as well right here additionally, but we can check them on Tuesday as well. So you just need to be doing these notes, or I can check them at the end of the Zoom by you holding them up in front of the camera. Very good. So the rest of the week is planned out here for you all on Canvas. Again, if you have any questions, please email us, contact us, get in touch with us so that we can make sure that you are staying connected with us during this remote learning. All right, have a good day. We're sorry this was rushed. Wasn't our plan. Don't worry, none of this was in our plan. But again, if you have questions, let us know, email us, reach out. We would love to help you. Bye, guys.